50 smart ways to make money online, offline and at home. Make money with a side gig and learn how long it will take to see the extra income. You want to make money, but you're not sure where to start? Don't worry, we've got you covered. And you're not alone. Some 16% of adults performed a side gig in the previous month to help them make extra money, and of those, 64% spent less than 20 hours doing those jobs during that period. Rounded up 50 real ways to make money at home, online or out and about. For each potential side job, we list details like what it takes to get started, age, requirements and how fast you can get paid. While most people want to make money fast, don't discount the slow gigs, as they may pay more in the long run. Here are 50 amazing smart ways to earn money. 1. Data entry. 2. Make money with vlogging. 3. Become a transcriptionist. 4. Test and review products. 5. Sell your stuff. 6. Babysitting. 7. Pet sitting. 8. Walk a dog. 9. Become a tutor. 10. Become a ghostwriter. 11. Become a virtual assistant. 12. Rent out an extra room. 13. Complete paid online surveys. 14. Become a translator. 15. Become a YouTuber. 16. Deliver meals. 17. Rate pizzas. 18. Rent out your parking spot. 19. Create and sell stock photos. 20. Invest your savings. 21. Car washing. 22. Make money blogging. 23. Buy and sell domains. 24. Network affiliate marketing. 25. Online product seller. 26. Take online surveys. 27. Writing review. 28. Freelance writing work. 29. Online consultancy. 30. SEO services. 31. Cash in your unused gift cards. 32. Rent out your automobile. 33. Sell your art. 34. Start trading online. 35. Start dropshipping. 36. Get paid to test websites and apps. 37. Marketing copywriting. 38. Data entry. 39. Enter competitions. 40. Start personal training. 41. Start a podcast. 42. Event jing. 43. Crowdfund. 44. Snow removal. 45. Sim. 46. Newsletter marketing. 47. Email marketing. 48. Email list or database selling. 49. Social media marketing. 39. Enter competitions. 40. Start personal training. 41. Start a podcast. 42. Event jing. 43. Crowdfund. 44. Snow removal. 45. Sim. 46. Newsletter marketing. 47. Email marketing. 48. Email list or database selling. 49. Social media marketing. 50. Ebooks. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.